In a major milestone to India's aviation sector, Union Minister of Civil Aviation Jyotiraditya Scindia launched the first indigenously made Donier 228 flight from Assam's Dibrugarh to Arunachal Pradesh's Pasighat. The first made in India aircraft with these details have been developed by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Scindia also flagged off the Donier aircraft route from Pasighat to Nilabari in Assam. The aircraft will link states' advanced landing grounds and other airports. Chief Minister of Arunachal Pradesh Pema Khandu and Union Minister of Law and Justice Kiran Rijiju were also present at the event.
आज के दिवस पर डिब्रूगढ़ को पासीघाट से लीलाबड़ी से जोड़ा गया है। ये डॉनियर एयरक्राफ्ट 228 हिंदुस्तान एरोनॉटिक्स लिमिटेड द्वारा स्वतः बनाया गया है, जो प्रधानमंत्री जी की सोच और विचारधारा आत्मनिर्भर भारत की एक विशेष उदाहरण और विशिष्ट उदाहरण हम लोग अपने समक्ष देख रहे हैं। अलायंस एयर ने 2 एयरक्राफ्ट ये लिए हैं।
Scindia also underlined the government's vision of rapidly scaling the country's domestic connectivity through regional connectivity scheme in coming times.
आने वाले दिनों में 15-20 दिनों में हम तेजू को इससे जोड़ेंगे, आगे जाके जीरो को जोड़ेंगे और द्वितीय चरण में हम लोग मेचका, टूटलिंग और विजयनगर को भी हम लोग जोड़ेंगे। हमारी विचारधारा है कि देश के कोने कोने में उड़े देश के आम नागरिक प्रधानमंत्री जी की सोच और संकल्प कि हवाई चप्पल पहनने वाला भी हवाई सफर कर पाए, उस विचारधारा के तहत देश के कोने कोने को जोड़ने का संकल्प हमारा है।
The remarkable feat comes in line with integrated efforts of the government and the Airport Authority of India to significantly enhance India's regional connectivity, with a special emphasis being given to the country's northeast region lately.
It is also in the principle of Northeastern Act East policy, and it is also about atmnirbharbharat. So with these aircraft connecting Arunachal Pradesh and other stations of Northeastern will take away a lot of hardship which people are facing in those regions. Going ahead, yes, we are developing infrastructure. We are also developing various helipads there, and we'll make sure that every nook and corner in Northeastern region are connected with some efficient mode of transportation, in which air transportation plays a very significant role.
The Ministry of Civil Aviation has been vigorously pursuing its objectives of launching new air routes, developing new airports, and innovating the undeserved and unserved airports across the country.